That's cool. Someone Today, test, Quebec.
The fuck? Eh, yung malume, hindi mo yung gulube.
Ngulube ngoko. Ngithala ngoko. Ngandala.
Yeah, yo, one kilo, yeah. Okay, yeah, here some next, yeah.
Umfanele next, you're welcome.
I was reading his next says, man. They are free toes.
Fight us, go.
Free toes, uncle. Free toes.
And you are welcome.
Okay, yeah.
You're welcome to my house.
Okay.
You're welcome. Keden kin come the number. Hey, keden kin sa. Hayi usungamshikhala lapha, shikhala lapha imawu. Kala mina. Emkhayeko. Khayeko. Zap. Phatha finance kuyinansi umqamelo pha benohlala lapho erumini. Amela endwana zimuza lapha endlini zifuna imbeleko kudala sazenzela ziyenzi. Siyachama apha kwesitulo ne. So this how this cow.
Oh, no, I understand.
Yeah, so
Okay.
uzaphathelwa ikhawu iqamelo uhlale pha. Kala lapha kuhlala mntakwethu.
Thanks, I appreciate that, uncle.
Thank you, I like it, my man. Bekunjani kapha?
It was fine, man.
Amachere bemunjani?
It will lead to G, man.
Isikole busihamba sona isikole.
I was there at college, man. I'm busy, yeah. I'm studying, man. No.
No one touch you in that cup.
No, uncle.
Tell me everything.
Everything is yours, uncle.
Mamela ke udlala thana nephi film?
It's fine. Watch whatever it is, uncle.
Oh, le remote camera ihlale kuwo ngozawulawula apha.
It's fine, uncle.
Oh, fine.
You can use it, yeah.
I'm 10 rand.
I gotta pay bills, uncle.
Bambili mo.
Bills, uncle. Bills, man. I said bills.
Bambili.
Look, I gotta hit the road.
Bekumashilo road pickup. Ngicela izinto ezenzekayo kuwe. Bawukhandekile phana exelela mina. Ndimi boss yef.
Hey, yo, uncle. I said I gotta hit the road.
Hit the road. Andingi road.
No, man. Is he dead?
That's cool. Someone Mandulo. Today, test, Quebec.